Good morning, friends! Happy Sunday to all of you. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. I will be bringing you up to date on today's latest stimulus news and information. A large group of Americans may be entitled to a $1,400 check next month. Paid family and medical leave could be signed into law very soon. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
And now we'll Build Back Better Act, most historic legislation for working families in the century, jobs, bigger union jobs, higher paying jobs, lower cost, cuts taxes, make the wealthiest and big corporations pay their fair share. Build Back Better accelerates investments in infrastructure again, $10 billion for new transit initiatives to support access to affordable housing. We in California know it's expensive to live someplace. In order for people to have access to jobs, they have to have faster access from home, where housing is affordable. So the connection between transit and housing very seriously recognized. Maxine Waters and Peter DeFazio worked together to make that happen. And $10 billion specifically dedicated to high-speed rail, which I did mention. And will not repeat the planning mistakes of the past, because this will be about the future. Over a decade ago, this, as was mentioned, was a rundown terminal that was no longer worthy of the innovative transit city that San Francisco is. Under President Obama and then Vice President Joe Biden, in the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, which was a Democratic initiative in the Congress, we were able to break ground, build the trans box below, $400 million, as was indicated in that bill, to build $400 million to build that was in that legislation, and enjoy now taking us to where we are today. But our work is never complete. We always want more, and with the investments made possible by President Biden, the bipartisan infrastructure bill, Build Back Better bill, what we did in the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act under President Obama and Vice President Joe Biden.
The American Rescue Plan Act authorized payments of $1,400 per adult and $1,400 per dependent. President Biden signed the act into law at the end of March of this year, and the vast majority of Americans have already received the full amount of stimulus money. However, people who had a baby or otherwise added a new dependent this year may not have received all the money that they were supposed to receive. The problem is the Internal Revenue Service determined how many dependents were entitled to the $1,400 payments by reviewing past tax returns. If you added a dependent only in 2021, then this information would not have been available to the IRS when your payment was calculated. So if you missed out on a payment for any new dependents that you added in 2021, you can claim $1,400 per dependent in 2022. For example, if you added twin babies to your family this year, you would be entitled to $2,800 for them. You will simply have to claim the money by filing a tax return next year. The payments that were sent out were in advance on a tax credit, so the tax credit should be available to you when you file your 1040 form with the IRS. The IRS will begin accepting tax returns in late January of next year, so the sooner you file your return for 2021, the quicker you can receive the $1,400 payment that you are owed. You do need to meet the requirements for this stimulus check under the American Rescue Plan Act. This includes falling within income limits. The full payment is available to single tax filers with income under $75,000 a year, and married couples with an income under $150,000 a year. Payments phase out once income exceeds these thresholds, and single filers with an income above $80,000 or married joint filers with an income above $160,000 are not eligible. You should make certain to claim this money if you are entitled to it, even if you do not normally file a tax return, as it can help you offset some of this economic damage from this crisis. Friends, the keyword for this video is pine cone. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure you to comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. And also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin is facing mounting pressure from his colleagues to back a federal paid family and medical leave plan as the party seeks to finish working on a sprawling $2 trillion social spending package. Joe Manchin has pushed back in recent months against efforts by his colleagues to advance a proposal for a universal paid leave program. The Democratic Party aims to pass through Congress without any GOP support, insisting it should be done on a bipartisan basis. But there are a number of Democrats, especially those who have struggled to find support for similar proposals and don't want to miss this opportunity. They are not giving up and are putting the pressure on. Under the current plan being discussed by Democrats are 4 weeks of paid family and medical leave that would be provided to full-time and part-time workers in both the private and public sector. Advocacy groups have praised the proposed program, stating it could be transformative for millions of American workers who do not have access to paid family or sick leave benefits. Originally, Democrats have previously wanted to provide up to 12 weeks of paid family and medical leave in their massive bill. It was scaled down to 4 weeks and then later nixed from the plan entirely after Joe Manchin's opposition to the measure. House Democrats added it back to the plan in early November, following an uproar from advocates. The party hopes to pass the bill in Congress using a procedure known as budget reconciliation, which will allow them to bypass a likely GOP filibuster in the evenly split Senate. But that means Democrats would need the support of all of their members in the upper chamber to approve the measure, giving Joe Manchin significant leverage over the shaping of this bill. Friends, thank you so very much for joining me here this Sunday. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every single day. If you would like to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for next Friday, please do click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you do watch, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed Sunday.